Welcome to today's topic of the World Mental Health Initiative video series. Today we are going to talk about goal-oriented or solution-focused thinking. Okay, what is a goal? A goal in a layperson's terms is nothing but the destination or the result that one wishes to achieve. Okay, so let's call it the desired outcome or the desired result. Okay, now in any given situation, we always have a goal, right? But unfortunately, most of the times we are not aware and we don't pay attention to what our goal is. Therefore, yesterday when we spoke about the situation causing an emotion and how it is actually not that, but what we are telling ourselves about the situation that causes the emotion, for us to move from the disturbance space to an emotion which is healthy, what makes the difference is reminding ourselves what is our goal in a given situation. So if we have to take the example of when my boss is screaming at me and I am getting offended or I am getting angry, in that situation, if I ask myself, what is my goal here? What is it that I want to achieve? And the thing is, the answer that you give yourself is not going to be the same that your colleague is going to give himself or herself, right? But this answer is going to help you determine what is it that you want to do next, and therefore what is it that you need to keep telling yourself next. Okay, so if my goal in that situation is to be calm and learn in terms of what my boss is actually trying to tell me, I would be able to get out of the space of anger when I tell myself, but hang on, what is my goal? Now, here I wish to improve on myself. Here I wish to objectively understand what is it that this guy is trying to tell me. And the more I keep reminding myself of my goal, my focus on my disturbance goes, right? And I am able to be objective and able to think in terms of, okay, since this is my goal, this is what I need to do next. For example, in this case, take stock, maybe make notes in terms of this is where I went wrong, this is what I can do, this is how I can improve, and therefore I become solution focused in my approach. Hope you've received some insight on how you can make your self talk conducive to you achieving your goal and taking you out of the disturbance space. Do try it and do let us know whether it has been working for you. And do subscribe to our channel and keep watching. We've got loads of other videos coming up for you.